the purely physical, because the man is supposed to work for the physical thing. If you see the primitive man, the man was taking care through his physical strength to fight with the surroundings, to fight for the food, fight for this, and then to protect the body, to survive the body and support the woman so that both can go together and create the life. So, and the woman is given a different job to carry the child. The man is not given that job, to carry the child and to give birth to the child. So the woman is more responsible so far as the life is concerned, because the life trusts woman more than the man. Because the woman can bear this child into the womb for 9 months. Man cannot. Man will be in hurry. How long? 9 months? My God. So as you say, right, the life also understands the nature of man. You see, that is why there are two different nature that the life has given to two different creations. Now you are understanding what life expects. If you don't understand, then you have all the time this misunderstanding will bring the conflict. It's like the man is living on the ground floor and the woman is living on the 3rd or 4th floor. Both wants to meet. The woman is calling the man up and the man is calling the woman down. You understand the situation? So how to break this problem? The man is not supposed to go up because he doesn't know where the staircase is. How to reach to the 4th floor or 3rd floor, the man doesn't know. And woman is afraid to jump from the 3rd floor to go to the ground floor. How to meet? The woman knows the steps, staircase. So the woman's responsibility is more to go down and bring the man up. You see, this is the woman's responsibility. But then we have all the time a tension that who is coming where, you see. This is the tension. And then both are just shouting from the different floors, that's all. So this is an eternal problem, universal problem. What life demands is your understanding.
Does mean this because ejaculation is natural and this person?
Pardon? Yeah, because you see, he doesn't meet a woman, he doesn't meet a woman actually. You see, woman has to open the door for the man to receive and take that man to the wherever you want. You see, once you know how to take the man up, then he is willing to go. But for that, you have to understand the man. You have to understand the man. Man is a man after all. And he lives on the ground floor. He enjoys living in the ground floor because that is his home. But you have the ability and the quality of a being to understand how. So, I'm just giving the example. It is not 3rd floor or the ground floor. It is the heart and the first center. So you have, and if I talk to a man, I will say that you should learn how to approach that door where a woman opens the door. You see, the man has to learn to find the door where the woman is standing behind, and the door is the heart. The heart. The man has to learn this. Man has not learned this, and the woman also has not learned. So both are just living together without having any understanding, and that is the problem in the relationship. You see. So man is just interested just to release. That's all.
Yeah, to me it's just fighting.
And the woman is not interested into that physical relief. The woman is interested into the emotional relief, the relief from the heart.
Yeah.
You see. And the man doesn't understand. So this is the problem. So if you understand, then make the man understand, if you can.
I try.
You see.
Don't sound his word.
There are not only one man in the world. There are so many. So why go depressed?
So, I don't know, after I saw becoming a burden, so maybe I cannot do it. To make him understand.
Now when I am sharing the understanding, share the understanding. And understanding is not by talking. Understanding is just sharing that quality of the heart center, of emotions, of love, whatever you call it. So then automatically man reaches to that point where he is close to the door and both can meet there. Both can meet there. But then you see, it's unfortunate that this teaching or this understanding, nobody teaches you.
What is the greater purpose?
Greater purpose is unknown. Only it demands your stepping to that push when the life is pushing with a trust and with a patience, Shraddha and Saburi. When your turn comes, so far as your turn has not come, you are asked to wait. When your turn comes to play your character, you automatically will have a push, will have an impulse. Then you go into the direction with a trust that wherever it takes you, and that direction that life takes you is what I call the destiny. The path that life takes you to reach to that fulfilling of the greater purpose is the destiny. Is the destiny. And there you have no freedom to decide anything. Here you have freedom to decide about your body needs. Okay, you can select your food, you can select your home, you can select your protection, and you can select your partner for sex. This is freedom. Their life doesn't bring any destiny. Bye. But there in that greater purpose, and the life knows that for that greater purpose, fulfillment of the greater purpose, the life does not create only one person, but the life creates similar ability, quality and capacity person, thousands of people. You see, it's like one seed you sow and 1,000 seeds it grows. Why it should grow the 1,000 seed? It is not for that you eat. It is something different purpose, because out of these 1,000, who is going to be available for the next continuity? You see, or the next responsibility. So this is how the life works. The whoever is available out of this 1,000 is then chosen for that responsibility which he takes into that greater purpose. So this is how the whole functioning of the life is. Continues. So the greater purpose also continues, because there are so many people who contribute somewhere into this whole flow of life. You see, we call them creative people, we call them the enlightened people, we call them the scientists. All they are the people who contribute something, and this flow, according to my understanding, is taking you towards more and more understanding of the mystery that the life has. Somewhere we don't know where it ends. Each direction life takes you will give you more clarity of something, more understanding of something of the mystery of life.
Mysterious.
Mystery. But then the next step remains mysterious. You are clear about that step which is